Question number 5. Given sec theta equal 13 by 12. Calculate all other trigonometric ratios. One of the trigonometric ratio sec theta is given as 13 by 12. Then calculate all other trigonometric ratios. According to the question, it is given that sec theta equal 13 by 12. Sec theta equal 13 by 12. Then we have to find all the other trigonometric ratios. That means we have to find sin theta, cos theta, tan theta and cosec theta. Sec theta is already given. Next, cot theta. These 5 trigonometric ratios we have to find. So sec is given. So reciprocal of sec is cos. So we will get the value directly. Okay, then we have to find sin theta. Then its reciprocal is cosec. Then we have to find tan theta. Its reciprocal is cot. Okay, so anyway we have to draw the figure first. A right triangle ABC. Right angled at B. Then here we have to mark one of the acute angle as theta. So here I mark this angle as theta. Okay. Now they given sec theta equal 13 by 12. So sec theta means what? Sec theta equal, that is reciprocal of cos. Okay. So hypotenuse by side adjacent to angle theta. From the figure we will get hypotenuse is AC and side adjacent to angle theta is AB. Okay, so AC by AB equal 13 by 12. AC by AB is equal 13 by 12. So this is the ratio. So we have to write its actual value. AC 13K and AB 12K. That we have to mention in the figure. AB is 12K, AC is 13K. Now we have to find the unknown value BC. Okay, this side BC we have to find by the Pythagoras theorem. That is AC square equal AB square plus BC square. We have to find BC here. So we can rewrite this as BC square equal AC square minus AB square. Then we can substitute the values. AC is 13K. So it's square minus AB is 12K. Okay, so 169K square minus 144K square. When we subtract them, then we will get 25K square. Then BC square equal 25K square. So BC equal what? Root of 25K square. Root 25 5, root K square is K. So we got BC equal 5K. That we have to mention in the figure, BC equal 5K. Then we can find the trigonometric ratios. Okay. Sec theta is given as sec theta is equal 13 by 12. It is given in the question. So we can easily find the reciprocal of sec theta. That is cos theta equal 1 by sec. That is equal, just write its reciprocal, 12 by 13. Clear? Then we have to find sin theta. So what is the equation of sin theta? Side opposite to angle theta by hypotenuse. Okay. So from the figure we will get it as BC by AC. BC we got as 5K. AC is given as what? 13K. So K and K will be cut. 5 by 13 is the answer. So sin theta equal 5 by 13. So its reciprocal is cosec. So cosec theta equal 1 by sin theta. That means its reciprocal 13 by 5. Then next we have to find tan theta. Tan theta means what? Side opposite to angle theta by side adjacent to angle theta. So from the figure we get the name as side opposite to angle theta is BC, side adjacent to angle theta is AB. So BC we got as 5K, AB is given as 12K. Then K and K will be cut, then what we will get? 5 by 12. 5 by 12. Then cot theta. Cot is reciprocal of tan. Okay, so cot theta equal 1 by tan. So its reciprocal we can write 12 by 5. So we got the other trigonometric values. So sec theta equal 13 by 12, that is given. Cos theta means its reciprocal, that is 12 by 13. Sin theta we find it as 5 by 13. Then cosec theta means its reciprocal, so 13 by 5. Tan theta we got as 5 by 12. So cot theta is its reciprocal, so 12 by 5. Question number 6. If angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A equal cos B, then show that angle A equal angle B. Angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A equal cos B, then show that angle A equal angle B. In the question it is given that angle A and angle B are acute angles. Okay, such that cos A equal cos B. Cos A and cos B are equal. That is also given. Then we have to show that angle A equal angle B. Angle A equal angle B. Okay. So here we have to draw a right triangle first. But in the question it is given that angle A and angle B are acute angles. So A and B we should mark at acute angles. So here C is right angle. Okay. C is the right angle. Now here it is given that cos A equal cos B. What is mean by cos A? Side adjacent to angle A by hypotenuse equal side adjacent to angle B by hypotenuse. Okay, so side adjacent to angle A is AC, side adjacent to angle B is BC. So we can write AC by hypotenuse is what? AB. Side opposite to right angle is AB here. So AC by AB equal BC by AB. In this equation, both LHS and RHS having the denominator AB. So we can say AC and BC are also be equal. So AC equal BC. AC equal BC. Okay. Then the last year you already studied that angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Okay. So these two sides are equal means the angle opposite to AC and angle opposite to BC are also equal. So angle opposite to AC is B, angle opposite to BC is A. So we can write it as angle B equal angle A. Angle B equal angle A. Clear? So this is the question. In this question they are not given. This A and B are the acute angles of separate triangles. So we can do this question by this method. In your textbook one example question is there that you should do properly. Okay. That is another method to separate triangles with A and B. Okay. So you should study that question too. Here it is not mentioned, so you can use this method also. This is an easy method other than that example. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.